And would you look at this? Wait, what is this? It's the 2025 Kia K4. The transition away from the Forte into the K4 is a move in the year of 2025 for Kia. It kind of looks like an Audi A7. It's got that futuristic look. I'm a huge fan. Let's kind of dive into this and give you guys some of the specs. And this specific vehicle right here has a snow white pearl exterior color with a gray interior color. The seating is cloth. It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine, 147 horsepower, and 132 pound-feet of torque. And here's a quick close-up at the grille, which is quite a bit different than the Forte, but it's going to have those Kia signature LED headlights. I think this looks super sharp. Kia badging up front there as well. And let's get a closer look at these wheels here. So they're going to be 205/55, 16 inches with a gray alloy finish right here. The wheel size does change depending on the trim level, but this is what the specific LXS model has. Here's a look at the back of the vehicle here, and I'm also going to give you guys a look at the key fob here. Super sharp key fob, and you can simply hold this down to pop open the trunk here, and we'll go take a look inside. Plenty of cargo volume and space, 14.6 cubic feet of cargo volume to be specific. Take a look inside. You guys can see, definitely very spacious, and it is going to become equipped with a spare tire. A lot of manufacturers are getting rid of the spare tire, but this guy still has it. Let's go inside the vehicle. This vehicle does have a blind spot monitoring system here. As we take a seat inside of the vehicle, you're going to see an entirely new steering wheel. I think that is super sharp personally. You're going to have a 12.3 inch infotainment center. We'll dive into that here as well. Some cup holders, and you're going to have plenty of space right here in the center console. The push start to this guy is actually going to be down here. So foot on the brake, you're going to hold it, this guy down. And now you'll have the display on. Everything's going to pop up, and let's dive into it. So on the right side of the steering wheel here, you're going to have some of the Bluetooth settings. On this side, you're going to have some of the cruise control settings and also the drivetrain mode. So you're going to have two drivetrains, just normal and sport. And you just click this to flip back and forth. We'll go back to normal for now. Here is your 12.3 inch infotainment center again. Again, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable. Once you have those features, you don't know what you do without it. Again, you can listen to music, news, podcasts, even anything off of YouTube, as long as you're not watching it, because obviously you got to remain safe here. It's going to have the standard safety features on this guy as far as the lane departure alert, crash warning system. You're going to have your temperature control settings right here. Again, the USB ports are going to be down here, so both you and the passenger can easily charge here. And cup holders are pretty spacious here as well. I'm going to show you guys the actual seating on this. Pretty simple, but it's comfy, and there's plenty of space out here in the back as well. And lastly, fuel economy here is going to be 33 combined, so great on fuel economy, 29 city, 39 highway. MSRP on this guy is only going to be $24,540 if it'll focus right there. So it's an absolute bargain of a vehicle. It's a great takeover from the Forte. If you guys would like to set up an appointment to take a look at this K4, any other K4s, or any other vehicles that we have in our lot, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Just ask for sales. We can set up you with an appointment. Otherwise, take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys soon.